Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Forgot your Gmail password and don't have access to your phone number? Don't worry, here's how you can recover your Google account step by step. First, open your browser and here go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery and here enter your Gmail ID. Tap next. When it asks for fingerprint, face or screen lock and it may sometimes ask for a phone number, here select try another way. If you added a recovery Gmail, Google will send a verification code there. Open that email, enter the code and reset your password. If no recovery email, then Google may ask for the last password you remember. Enter it and if it matches your previous activity, you will get password reset options. Make sure you're using the same device and Wi-Fi you normally used for Gmail. That helps Google recognize you and trust the recovery attempt. If nothing works, fill out Google's account recovery form with details like when you created the account or old passwords. You can retry after 24 hours if denied. And that's it. That's how you recover your Gmail account without using a phone number. Like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.